All right, we're going to get started. Happy Monday, July 15th at 7:34 a.m. There are some trending markets we'll go over. We're going to get started right away here. First one is the Aussie Kiwi, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. As you can see, the weekly trend, it has been moving upward for the last 4 weeks, going on week number 5 here. This is a great trade to consider, ladies and gentlemen, fellow human beings. Let's see, we're going to go down to the daily here. As you can see, look at that. It is beautiful. We got a nice green cloud forming. The Kiwi is getting weaker. Look at this lagging span. The space between the lagging span and the price action is really good. Look at the conversion line. It's pointing right up in the diagonal. You can't ask for better. Look at the baseline. Same thing, pointing upward. We got a lot of room on this trade. There is hardly no resistance here. We got the next resistance is way up here. And that is 1.12511. That is the next resistance level. So you got a lot of room on this trade. Really a nice trade to consider. Let's go down to the 15-minute here. All right, it's slowly inching upward. That's probably because the New York session hasn't begun yet. So right now it's ranging. It's not ranging much though. This is the 15-minute time frame. So it's ranging. It more than likely is going to start moving upward again once the markets kick off. But like I always say, you never know what the future. You can never tell the future. So always use proper good risk management. Find a good logical stop and practice good patience, and you'll be fine. Let's try to look at the two. Let's try and look at this 2-hour chart here. Nice big fat cloud forming up. So yeah, it's a beautiful trade. Aussie CAD, Aussie Canadian dollar. Let's look at it. The daily. Look at when the market started this early Sunday morning. They just popped right up. Aussie's getting stronger against the CAD as well, as you can see. We got a lot of room to go up here. A lot of room for movement. So this is a beautiful trade to consider as well. Let's go down to the 4-hour here. Right now it's ranging again because, like I said before, the New York markets haven't kicked off yet. So still got room to move on this one. Beautiful trade here. Let's go down to let's get over to the British pound CAD. CAD is getting weaker against the British pound as well. Right now it is in an undecided candle. So if you want to wait, come back in a couple of hours and see if it's moved or not, you can do that. But this is another great trade. Green candles just forming for this week. But as you can see, this is a nice upward candle. More than likely, this is going to continue to go upward. It's still going to get weaker against the pound. Pound's been getting strong all across the board as of late. So previous 1, 2, 3 trading days, it kept going up. It looks like this cloud is still forming. So another beautiful trade to consider, ladies and gentlemen. All right, and this is a really great trade here. I'm in myself. And this is the EuroCAD. EuroCAD, it just broke out a couple of days ago. It just broke out of the upward green cloud. It's forming another green cloud here, upward cloud. So this is very beautiful, very nice trade here. This is on the daily chart. Let's go out to the weekly, see what it looks like. Yeah, it's about to break. It looked like it's going to break this previous level here. The previous level is 1.49183. You can wait until it breaks that level, or you can get in now. But just use proper risk management because you never know what the future holds. You got a flat green cloud here, but the key word is green, upward cloud. Let's go down to the daily and see what's going on. It's starting to form. This cloud is starting to form again here. This is definitely a good trade to get in. All right, we're going to go down to the 4-hour here. 4-hour. It's been ranging the previous 4 hours. You can see that it went up a little bit this last 4 hours, then it dropped back down. I wouldn't be too concerned about that. It looks like this one is going to continue to go up though. You don't want to miss it. Right now, in the previous 15 minutes, like I say, you never know what the future holds. Look here, you got a nice big fat downward candle, but this is only the 15-minute. I wouldn't be too concerned. Going on at 3 minute, you got a big fat downward candle. So, like I said, if you want to wait until the market's open, you're welcome to do that. But the bigger picture here, this daily candle is still going upward. So, proper risk management is key. And for you speed traders that like to get in there for that fast money, I would definitely wait until the market opens or see what happens if this downward candle continues to form, if it breaks this little barrier here, this little cloud barrier, see how it goes from there. This is on the 5 minute chart. Or you can go to the 1 hour and just wait and see what happens. You got the downward cloud forming here, but it's on that conversion line. So I will wait and see if it goes past that conversion line. And then I would wait for another confirmation, especially in the 1 hour chart. I'll wait for another confirmation to see if it crosses this baseline and starts to go down to this cloud. And then maybe I would get in. I would sell. But we will see because anything can happen in the market, especially when you're trading against the euro. The euro and the dollar, when you're trading against those two, things could happen in huge movements. So always practice good risk management. Confirm your trades. Use your patience, and you'll be fine. Euro CAD. This is one I'm in myself. I sold the CAD and bought some euros, and but I have the experience and the patience to wait it out. So we will see. All right, that's Euro CAD. Next one is Euro Kiwi. This one just broke out of that cloud. This one's just forming. But as you can see, we're still in the downward cloud here. So if you want to trade this is a good trade because the Kiwi is weakening, but you have to be careful because you can see here it broke out of this downward cloud. And we're kind of undecided. This isn't formed yet, so you really don't know. So you want to practice good risk management if you get into this trade because, like I said, with the euro and the dollar, the moves are so huge, uh, they can swing either way. But this is one I'm watching as well. We'll go down to the 15-minute because, as you can see here in the 15-minute, it is really just going upward still. So we'll go to the 2 hour on this one. Look at there. See, it's just going up. Even in the 2 hours, up, 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 up. So it's getting weaker, 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 weaker. The Kiwi against the euro. So this is definitely a trade you want to consider. And lastly, is the Great British Pound Kiwi. Look at that. This is a super beautiful trade. Look at that. You got your converging line pointing upward, baseline pointing upward, green cloud forming. Beautiful trade to consider. Let's go out to the week. Past 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, past month, it's been getting weaker against the British pound. Everything is getting weaker against the British pound, but this one's particularly good. Let's go down to the 15-minute. All right, we're in a range right now. Like I said, around 9:30, you can come back and check and see what these markets are doing. But this is definitely another trade to consider. You got this nice fat 15-minute green cloud, upward cloud forming. Let's go to the 8 hour here. Look at, oh my goodness, you can't ask for a better trade. Look at it, up, straight up. So definitely one you want to put on your radar. All right, that's it for right now. I will be checking with you weekly. Good luck and happy